Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, D.I.Y Yud. Today I'm going to work on this Ford Fiesta. I'll change this serpentine belt as one that we have on this car has started cracking. You can see it here. This serpentine belt drives alternators or water pump and AC pump. So if this belt breaks while driving, so you will not get power. It will die the battery. The engine will heat up as the water pump won't turn, and also the AC won't work. So it's better to change it now before it breaks on the road. Let's do it. To remove the belt, the manufacturer is made to cut it. Just cut the belt out. I'll try to remove it without cutting it. So to remove it, we need to jack up the car up and remove the tire, the front right tire, and remove all these plastic cover, I think. So I'll start by remove the tire and see what's next. So once the wheel is out, so we need to remove this plastic cover. You have two screws, one around here and one on this around here. So I'll use a screwdriver and remove it. So let's see if you can see. So to remove the belt, I'll just cut it out, just like that. There it is. All cracked. Now it's time to put the new belt. So how I'm going to put the stretch belt is, I put it first on the alternator, onto the AC pump, and using the ratchet and 18mm socket, I will crank the engine and rotate it until it fits. So the trick is that you don't need to let it slip. So I'll just go and do it off camera. Put it. I use a clamp like this. Put it here, just to prevent the belt from coming out from this pulley. Then I rotate it like this, and you have to make sure that it doesn't come out of the water pump pulley. So you just put your hand here, and you put it here to prevent it from coming out of the pulley, and the next one, you with the other hand, you just turn the pulley. And this is how you do it without any special tools. And sort it here, check it. Now it's time to put back this plastic cover and the wheel, and everything is done. So guys, this is how you change the belt the driving belt on the Ford Fiesta 2011. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe and share it. Thank you.